It's got moss in there. See how it goes. Dun 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 dun. I'll probably insert some Jaws music instead of. Just going to clean all the surface bits off and then put it back in there again. It's working. Check out my Instagram page. Still not moving. The handle's cleaned up nicely. Don't forget to subscribe. Sometimes you just need to whack stuff. Told ya. Support me with Patreon. Just gotta wait now. Like this video. Share this video. Elevator music. Really annoying song about baby man eating fish. All done. I got sent this wrench, what someone found on the railway. It was really pitted. It had moss growing in it, and none of this would move at all. Took me a while to get it. I've been doing it for about 3 years, so finally got it all done. If you like this video, give it a share, give it a thumbs up. Also, give me a comment as well. I'll always try and reply to everyone. I like to hear your thoughts, what you'd like me to do next, what you hate, what you like. And if you look in the description, you'll see my Facebook, Instagram, and I've got a Patreon if you really want to help support me making more of these videos. And while you're here, check out one of my other videos. Subscribe if you aren't already. and here's a link to my Patreon.